everyone, welcome to my this tutorial. Today I will show you how to compare two string without case sensitive. We know that Java is case sensitive language. Each and every comparison of string in Java is case sensitive. Sometimes we need to compare two string without any cases. So this tutorial help you how to compare two string without case sensitive. In previous video I will show how to create project in NetBeans. So I will continue from that project. I open my NetBeans. At first we have to create one Java class, that is no case sensitive. Now I create main methods, and I also create public void no case sensitive comparison to strings, that is the methods. How to call from the static main method to without static method. The approach to call non-static methods by using their object. So I have to create at first object of this class no case sensitive dot no case sensitive compared to string. In this way this object call this method when main method is run. So string is one of the primitive Java class which includes two methods for comparison. One is equals, another is equals ignore case. Equals compare string with cases but equal ignores compare string without cases. String class provide two methods for comparison of string. One is equals, another is equals ignore case. It compares two string with the case, it compares two string without case. But for case insensitive we can use also two other methods defined in the string class, that is two lowercase and two uppercase. By using two lowercase methods of string and two uppercase methods of string, we can compare two string without case. One method is equals ignore case. Here we can see that three approach to compare two string without case. For example, if HELO dot equals hello, there is one type of case, there is another type of case. I think it always provides the result is false, because it does not true because equals methods compare with the case. For example, I am not execute because equals methods. If HELO dot equal ignore case capital L small l o. Now I also put same string hello. This is also one case of string. It is also another case of string because here is capital L. So it is executed because it does not care about any case in the string. So I write system out.println I am execute because equals ignore case. Here so execute. For example, we have to see the output. Here you can see that I am execute because equals ignore case. It does not care about any cases. Also, it is a general approach to compare string without any case, but two other approach I will describe. One is to uppercase. For example, if N E P A L dot to uppercase dot equals, by this is approach to compare two string without using equals methods, that is equals ignore, by using equals ignore case. But by using equals methods also we able to compare to dissimilar cases string by using two uppercase and two lowercase methods. Equals NEPAL dot to uppercase. Also write system I am execute because to uppercase. This string can be converted into the uppercase. Then these methods call. After calling these methods, parameter also converted into uppercases. So this statement can be executed. Another case, to lower case. If NEPAL to lowercase equals NEPAL to lowercase. I am execute because to lowercase. This approach use equals method to compare two string without any case. This approach use equals ignore case to compare two string without any case. It does not execute this. It executed and becomes false. So this statement cannot be executed. All other statements are executed. Now I am run this program. You can see that I am execute because equals ignore case. You can see that I am execute because two uppercase. I am execute because to or lowercase. In this way, we can compare to string without any case by using equals method as well as equal signal case. That's all in today's tutorial. Thank you for watching my tutorials. To watch more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.